find some motivation. Set sight to your destination. Be more precise in your estimation. Put your hand up on the price now. Now it's time we organize now. Elevate, we are on the rise.
All right, so not even in high school, and she already has one CSEC subject under her belt. 10-year-old Twyla Hay Bent, Copter 2 in English language, at 10 years old, grade 5, and she's still at Denby Primary. Good morning, Twyla Hay.
Good morning.
Good morning, Twyla.
What's that? Deputy head girl, principal's honor roll,
more than once,
top
prefect.
math girl 2016, all kinds of stuff. Fantastic. Congrats first.
Thanks.
We're so happy that you're here with us this morning. Why did you want to do a CSEC subject in grade 5?
Well, my dad just asked me and I said, okay.
Your dad asked if you wanted to do it. You were obviously doing very, very well in English.
Yes.
Who is your dad? Where's your dad work?
Well, he used to work at Denby, but now he's working abroad.
Okay, so you would go to Denby High School, where
Yes.
Daddy was.
Yes.
And that's how, did you sit in some classes or something?
Yes, I sat in some of his co-workers' classes.
And they were English classes?
Yes.
So you were getting and soaking up the information. And tell us the conversation that you had when CSEC was coming up, the exams. How did you sit the exam? Who did you speak to first? Take us through that.
Well, at Denby, I think the lady, her name was Miss Ferron. So I spoke to her and I got the papers and we signed and paid and everything. And then I went to his co-workers' classes on Saturday. I had 2 sessions, one for essay writing and one for questions. The questions on paper.
Yes.
And that's just how I did it.
But I mean, you're the youngest person in the Caribbean to sit that exam. How do you feel?
So happy.
That's exciting. What did your mom say when you got your results?
She screamed.
She screamed? She was excited. Oh, that's so
Is
great.
English your favorite subject?
No.
No, it isn't.
Look like it's math, right?
Yes.
So when you're going to do the math?
Maybe next year after I go high school.
So
your
wearing
first year in high school, you're going to do CSEC math. What you want to be when you grow up?
A medical scientist.
Why?
Well, I want to become a medical scientist because many people don't know about certain diseases, especially the really, what would I say, more awful ones.
The terrible ones.
Yeah, and I want to help them with that.
That's
But
great.
where did that come from, though?
Yes.
Where did that idea come from?
When I was in grade 3, we had this class library, and I picked a book from it. I was reading, and it was something about medical science and something. I was like, I want to be like that person. I want to be a medical scientist.
Okay. Young people get a hard time for giving trouble at school, not doing homework, giving the teachers a hard time. It is obvious that you don't go to that route. Why? Why are you such a special young lady?
I know that if that happens, I'm getting punished, and punishment is not nice.
Punished by your parents?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me ask you, some of your peers, your friends in your class,
Yeah.
may be struggling with English, math, and some of the other subjects. I'm sure you've observed that, eh?
Yes.
Is there any, we call it peer-to-peer support, where you help your next friend in your class to kind of lift them up to the standard that you have achieved? Are you able to do that? Is that something that you think is possible?
Yeah, I think it's possible. Yeah.
Okay. And what was the hardest part of the test? The CSEC English.
The essay writing.
What was your essay?
Well, we had 3 different: a summary, a story, and the summary, the essay, and another essay.
Okay. Do you think you would have to sit it again? Like, how does it work? Do you maintain that?
Yeah, man, you keep
grade?
it too. Some people would want to get a 1 in it, and they will take it over because they want to get the 1.
But she can go through high school and say that I have my...
Yeah, she has a CSEC English already.
That's so cool. What are the other subjects you're interested in? Science, of course.
Mark?
Well, science. But one of my friends suggested that I pick up the subjects I know I'm going to do and I read 6th form and do the ones that I'm not going to do at an earlier stage.
Where did you do the exam? At Denby?
Denby High,
And you were the only younger person in the room?
Yes.
Did Did they look at you like, why are you here type of thing?
Yes.
Well, how did you feel? Were you intimidated by all these fifth formers and fourth
No,
formers?
not really, because some of them, I knew them, like, because my father worked there sometimes,
Okay.
so I knew them well, so I wasn't really that intimidated by them.
You're going to do great things. I can feel
You
it
are
already.
doing
You
great
are, and you're
things.
going to do even greater things in your life. Is there anything that worries you?
Yes, I'm worried about my health because I know I'm not that healthy because I don't really eat that good.
You don't eat well?
No.
So you're going to start eating well, right?
Yes.
And create some cool menus with our natural fruits and things that are grown
Yes.
in Jamaica. Okay.
Great to meet you.
Thank you.
And
High five.
continue to do well. God bless you.
You're the best.
Okay.
She's 10 years old with a 2 in CSEC English. Twalahe Bent of Denby Primary.
Big up the entire Denby Massive